Hi, my name is Nitin. Today we will see how to install an indicator on cTrader platform. Let's start. First of all, we will go here, this icon, and let's install Ichimoku indicator, which is here. Just click on it. A pop-up window will appear and you need to click OK. And now you can see that Ichimoku indicator has been installed. Now let's see how to remove this indicator. We will simply go here, this icon, and simply click this cross button. Now you can see that the indicator has been removed. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.